Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to learn how to create a partition on your Windows 10 hard drive, and I'll also show you how to delete, merge, and resize partitions. So let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type File Explorer. You should see the File Explorer option appear. Click on it. On the left-hand side, find and click on This PC. Here I can see the C drive with 108 gigabytes of free space and no other partitions on the hard disk drive. This is my Google Drive. We'll be creating a partition within this C drive. Go to Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and double-click on Control Panel, then System and Security, then Administration, and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. A new window called Disk Management will open. Here you'll see various partitions like System Reserved, C drive, and Healthy Recovery partition. Leave the System Reserved and Healthy Recovery partitions alone. We'll work with the C drive. Right-click on the C drive and select Shrink Volume. Once it's ready, you'll see the total size of available shrink space. Decide how much space you want for the new partition. For example, for 5 gigabytes, type 5,000 megabytes, since 1,024 megabytes equals 1 gigabytes. Enter the desired amount and click Shrink. After shrinking, you'll see an unallocated space in Disk Management. Right-click this unallocated space and select New Simple Volume. The New Simple Volume wizard will open. Click Next to proceed through the wizard. Leave the default settings as they are and click Next. Choose a drive letter for the new partition, e.g. D, and click Next. Ensure the file system is set to NTFS. If it's set to FAT32, change it to NTFS. Leave the volume label and allocation unit size at default settings, then click Next and Finish. The new volume will be created. Close Disk Management and open File Explorer. Go to this PC to see your new drive. Next, let's learn how to delete a partition. Go to Windows search bar, type Control Panel, and double-click on Control Panel, then System and Security, then Administration, and click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partition. Locate the partition you want to delete, for example, Drive D. Right-click on the partition and select Delete Volume. A warning message will appear, stating that all data will be lost. Make sure you've backed up any important data, then click Yes. The partition will now be shown as unallocated space. Next, let's learn how to merge a partition. To merge partitions, you need to have adjacent unallocated space next to the partition you want to extend. Right-click on the partition you want to extend, e.g. C drive. Select Extend Volume. The Extend Volume wizard will open. Click Next. Select the amount of space to add from the unallocated space and click Next. Click Finish to complete the process. Next, let's learn resizing a partition can be done by either shrinking or extending it. To shrink, follow the steps we did earlier in the creation process by right-clicking on the partition and selecting Shrink Volume. To extend, right-click on the partition with adjacent unallocated space and select Extend Volume, then follow the wizard. That's it for today. You've learned how to create, delete, merge, and resize partitions on your Windows 10 hard drive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.